Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, October 13th. In the NASDAQ market, what a tug of war here, nothing too dramatic, and it's a 50-50 type situation. I usually look for strength going into Friday's action. Here, I think we still have that possibility, but it's not an overwhelming bias to this market. Long term, still bullish on it, and I do look for at least an unchanged type close. Let's move on to the dollar, and let's see what's happening with that euro dollar. We saw strength in this currency, and then what we see here on Thursday is that the dollar, US dollar, got stronger. What does that imply for us? I do not look for follow through with the US dollar to the downside, but an unchanged, a slightly lower move, and look for that possibility that the euro could strengthen before the day is out. Now, in the 10-year notes, what we see in this market is that it did firm up a bit, and that makes sense based upon what we saw in the stock market. I do not look for follow through to the upside, inside day to lower for that market on Friday. And the gold market, it's grinding its way higher. I don't have a lot of confidence in this market. It's waiting for new information. I don't think it's coming. I'm looking for a unchanged to down day for Friday's action. Let's move on to crude oil. And in crude oil, we traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market, to give you a feel for that, is $400 a contract. I'm looking for a sideways move for Friday's action, not a strong directional move. In soybeans, we saw some movement to the upside in soybeans. I do not look for the same type of action on Friday, but a much smaller move and possibly just strictly an inside day for soybeans on Friday. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. In the meantime, take care.